A very good afternoon to all. I am Atul Kumar from Department of Computer Science, RGM Government College, Nagar, here to present a paper on detection of Punjabi newspaper articles using deep learning approach. The main outline of my presentation, firstly introduction, then objective of my research, related work, methodology, experiments and results, then conclusion. So newspapers have a long been a primary source of information for a general public. So they have a very carefully designed layout to present a wide range of news articles, editorials, advertisements, and related other contents in a very organized and visually appealing manner. So basically, layout analysis is the pre-processing step in document understanding system. In computer vision, layout analysis is the process of identifying and categorizing the regions of interest in the scanned image of text document. It is basically responsible for detecting and annotating the physical structures of documents and newspapers. Newspaper layout analysis we have of two types. One is geometrical analysis, which identifies different homogeneous blocks of newspapers like text columns, pictures, tables, advertisements, and we have also a logical analysis which classify the blocks into different groups of text and font styles such as titles, articles, and subtitles. So the main objective of our research paper is to extract the articles from a Punjabi newspaper images. So in this paper we have discussed about the various barriers in article extractions of newspapers. We have also created a dataset of around 400 images labeled into three classes: articles, advertisements, and titles. We have trained a dataset on a faster RCNN object detection model to get the inference from the trained model. So in the field of newspaper article extraction, a lot of work has been done in the past, like in Girshik et al. Prepared or developed a new method, mask RCNN, for the object detection by adding branching for predicting a object mask extending faster RCNN. Rain S et al. Presented a reason proposal network for efficient and accurate reason proposal generations, enabled a unified and deep learning system for object detection. Abdullah in 2019 solved the problem of newspaper segmentation at the semantic level. Shan Jed et al. Prepared a toolkit for layout analysis of newspaper using object detection model like fast RCNN and mask RCNN. Joe Jed et al. Analyzed the advancement in object detection field in a period around 25 years of the past. Zhu W et al. Developed a system for document layout analysis that employs segmentation and detection methods including transformers and mask RCNN. So a lot of work has been done in fast RCNN, mask RCNN for the extraction or segmentation of newspapers. Howard D et al. Proposed the article extraction using structured based analysis. Cheng H et al. Performed segmentation using unified framework named VSR. Ahmed Jet et al. Performed a layout analysis based on semantic approach tested on Arabic handwritten documents using object detection. Bin Maxson in et al. Surveyed a document layout analysis, analyzed various algorithms for article segmentation and post-processing. Zhao H et al. Firstly segment the newspaper using run length smoothing algorithm, that is basically algorithm that is used, classical algorithm for the segmentation of newspapers or documents, and then passed that the segmented image to a light weighted dilated network to perform the document layout analysis. Gyanshan P et al. Split the newspaper images into individual articles using heuristical approach that incorporates embedded information. So different problems in article extraction include, because the newspaper have a complex layout that combine various text, photographs, headlines, so it is very challenging to clearly identify the boundaries of articles. Also there is a overlapping of images, that is also another problem for the extraction of articles. We have also met headlines that take up numerous columns or sections, so it is very difficult to get the starting point of the article and where the article headline and to get the end point of the article. In newspapers, a variety of article types exist because of unique structure like news sports opinion, so it is very difficult to extract those kind of articles from the newspapers. Also, each newspaper has a different layout and styles, so and there is no common format for all the publication, make it challenging to extract the article. Newspaper article segmentation also requires a computational, very large computational sources that when handling a very large volume of data that makes it very challenging to extract the article from the newspapers. So the main methodology of our research includes, we firstly capture the Punjabi newspaper images and then we annotate those images into three classes like articles, advertisement and titles. Then we convert these annotated images into a COCO format. Then we perform a training using faster RCNN with different workbones with fine tuning, and lastly we detect the articles in Punjabi newspaper by running the inference of trained model. So firstly I will discuss about convolutional neural network. So we have used in our research faster RCNN. So it is made up of three parts. One is convolutional layer, region proposal network and prediction layer. So for when a image is given to the as an input to this backbone, a region proposal algorithm create a list of suggested areas or places that are likely to be home to object of interest. So this operates on a sliding window over convolutional feature map. So at each sliding window, RPN predicts two kind of outputs. One is objectiveness score and other is bounding box regression, and these outputs acts as a input for region of interest pooling layer. And the region of interest pooling layer, after generating a feature map, is gives two output. One is classification and other is the bounding box regression. Classification predicts which class the object belongs to, and the bounding box regression refine the bounding box coordinates for the each proposed region. So after that, we prepared a data set. We have explored various e-papers from various resources of Punjabi newspaper websites and collected around 400 images. These images are then annotated with the help of various labeling tools like RoboFlow and LabelMe. We have used three classes in our annotations. One is article class, one is advertisement and other is title class. In article class, they are basically the standard news format and presenting the most important information of our newspapers. They contains the headlines. They also contains the headlines, also photographs and paragraphs. Advertisement contains text, photographs and cartoons. Title contain at the top of the newspaper, that is at the top of the newspaper, that is the title. So after that we perform the experiments and results, and this is the configuration table. We have used the main configuration of our model includes GPU. We have taken only one GPU. Number of workers is 4. Model weights we have used faster RCNN. Batch size we have used of 4. Basic learning rate is 0.001. Epoch size is 300. Backbone is ResNet-101, also ResNet 50 and ResNext-101 we used. Per image batch size we have used 64 and number of classes we have used is 3. Validation steps we have used is 200. After comparing the different backbones for the detection of results, we analyze that with ResNet 50 FPN backbone, mean average precision for 0.5 to 0.95 is 0.67. For 0.5 we have 0.73, and for mean average precision for 0.75 is 0.63. Also mean average recall for 0.5 to 0.95 is 0.68 with ResNet 50 FPN. With ResNet 101 FPN, MAP for 0.5 to 0.95 is 0.68. With 0.5 MAP we have 0.72, and with 0.75 MAP we have results of 0.634. With for MAR 0.5 to 0.95 we have a result of 0.687. With ResNet-101 FPN, we have MAP of 0.5 and 0.595, we have 0.669. MAP 0.5 is 0.723, MAP is 0.75 is 0.629, and MAR 0.5 to 0.9 0.673. From the results, it is clear that ResNet 101 FPN produces a very good results of detection. So we have tested our model on a number of newspapers images, and the segmentation results for different classes. We have just tested the article having total number of articles 2798, and we correctly recognize 2365 articles with our detection model, giving the accuracy of 84.52. Total number of advertisement we have tested is 798, and 654 advertisements are correctly recognized, giving the accuracy of 81.95. Titles, total number of titles we have tested is 76. Out of them, 60 titles are correctly recognized, giving the accuracy of 78.94. So this one is the from the right hand side we have a snapshot of the results of article extraction of our Punjabi newspapers. So now I am going to conclude my presentation. So in this research, we have highlighted different variants during article extraction of Punjabi newspapers, such as complex layout, varying font size, columns layout, as well as presence of images within the article. We have just prepared a dataset for Punjabi newspaper article, and we have originated a technique based on object detection model for detection of article. Based on the comparison results, we have compared different backbones of faster RCNN and found ResNet 101 gives better accuracy over the other. So this is basically the first step to extract the article from the Punjabi newspapers. The proposed method gives good accuracy. In future, it can be extended to the newspaper of other languages. So these are the references we have used in our research paper. So thanks for listening this presentation.